Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today we're going to be unboxing our first month with Alpaca Direct. Just so you guys know, I love and respect you guys enough. I did not already open the yarn. I opened the box so I could do my numbers. Ooh, I'm missing something. There we go. But I did not crack into this project. And let me tell you, that was hard. I am very excited about what I got this month. Let me get my notebook with my maths on it. But, so the Alpaca Direct subscription box is $34.95 before taxes and shipping. I thought that was exceptionally reasonable. After tax, it was $42.30. Or after tax and shipping, it was $42.30. I did have to pay taxes on it when I checked out. Y'all. How pretty are these? So that is our yarn. It is Adriafil Knit Coal. Try matching it with Regina yarns. It is a sock weight yarn. They are 50 grams each, 100% wool, I believe. 100% merino wool. These are so soft. Oh my goodness. I've literally pulled them out like 4 times in the last 5 days and just sat here doing this. The patterns. Oh. So it was in a mailer bag and just in a plastic bag. I'm okay with no fancy packaging. I don't need fancy packaging. It's pretty, but half the time it's just going to get recycled. There was a box of light bulb stitch markers. These are the really good ones that have the rubberized coating on them. They're not paint. It's not paint that's just like gonna rust right off. They're actually like cute. And our patterns. So, I think this is cute, don't get me wrong, but not something I'm gonna get a whole lot of use out of. I do not like mittens. The fingerless glove part's fine. It's the mitten part that makes it kind of a waste for me. However, that is not the only pattern we got this month. How pretty is that? And especially with as much black as I wear, how pretty is that? Yeah. So I've been dying to cast this on. It uses a size 6 needle, which I just happen to have a spare one sitting around upstairs now. And I will be casting that on this weekend. Pretty excited about it. I can't lie. I'm really excited to work up this yarn. It is really, really pretty. It is really, really squishy. I really, really like it. I think you guys get the point, right? I like it. Plus, I really enjoy color, and I'm looking forward to working with just like crazy bright, eye-watering funness, goodness. So, breakdown on pricing. I am not familiar with this brand, so off the top of my head, I was not sure how much it cost. However, universally in the States, it costs $10 a ball. Perfect. A couple places have it on sale. I believe Alpaca Direct themselves has it for like 10% off, and it comes in other colors. There's an all purple and pink colorway in that same yarn, and I'm just like, why am I on a yarn ban? Yeah. I'm kind of like, I'm proud of myself for staying on my ban. But why am I on a yarn ban? So $30 for the yarn right out of the gate. Like I said, before tax and shipping, the box is $34.95. So we're actually doing really good on our price breakdown evaluation. The stitch markers, they sell them for $10. There are a couple of websites that sell them for $10. To me, I would say they're worth about $6. They're the really, really nice ones. They're not the painted ones. So they are worth a little bit more than some of the ones I've seen. I do like the fact that it's in the heavy duty hard plastic case, which definitely makes it a lot easier to not lose them. Those are one of my favorite, just basic stitch markers to use because they're good up to like a size 10 needle. And I don't find them getting in my way all the way down to like my size 1.5, 2s. So I really like that style of stitch marker. I've had some cheaper ones that kind of get not rusted, but they snag a lot. They're not as nice. These really are very, very nice. So I'm giving them $6. I wouldn't pay $10 for them. And there are quite a few websites I saw those for $10 for that amount. And I'm like, no. I did go out and look at 6 different patterns that were very similar to the fingerless glove pattern, basic ribbing, flip top mittens. And the average I came up with was $4.30. For that style of basic eyelet cowl, I did 6 of them, came up with $6.24 was the average between 6 different patterns. I did use Ravelry and Etsy to look up those prices, and like it's at random. I don't pick. I just literally, oh, that's similar. Oh, that's similar. Oh, that's similar. Oh, that's similar. And I do 1 per page if I can. So the total estimated value on this box is $46.54. That is a 25% savings before taxes and shipping. If you were to buy these things individually, you'd have to pay taxes and shipping anyway. So that's really not that bad of a deal. Because all my estimated values would go up with taxes and shipping, obviously. Yeah, the yarn is also imported from Italy. It's not a domestic brand. I think that's kind of obvious from the name on it, but Italy is its country of origin. I really don't know what else to say about this. The reviews on the yarn, from what I saw, were really good when I was doing my price comparison on it. There are a lot of websites that carry it. It's not hard to find. It comes, I think, in like 12 colorways. It may be 16. So if you were interested in the yarn, initial touch response is it's nice. I enjoy it. I like it. It's right in between what I would call nice quality durable and squishy soft. It's like right in that middle zone. So I don't know, with it being 100% wool, if I'd necessarily do socks with it unless I'm going all the way down to a size 1 needle and keeping my fabric as dense as possible. But anything that's going around your décolletage area, your ears, your hands, I think you're going to be safe with this yarn, just based on how it feels. So I'm looking forward to getting cracking on this one. I'm pretty gosh darn excited, and it's taken a lot of self-control to not go ahead and get started on it. So, and for me, this is the project. Just looks so pretty. I want to have that finished object. So I'm pretty excited about that. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment down below, send me an email, shoot me a message on Instagram. I try to get back with you guys just as quickly as possible. Next month, when we get next month's box, I will come back to this project. If you're only watching my subscription box videos, and I will show you my finished object, talk about what it was like doing the project, tell you how working with the yarn was, all that stuff. But so far, I mean, the first month is always the shortest video. Just a reminder, I am paying for this box 100% out of pocket. This is at my cost. In no way, shape, or form is it sponsored. Alpaca Direct has no idea I exist, much less that I am doing a review of their product. So I have been found by a couple of different companies now reviewing their products, and so far so good. I haven't had horrible things to say about those companies yet. The ones that have found me. Anyway, I am going to get a cracking. Take care, you guys. I love you guys, and I will see you real soon.